OPC 4. Okay, field status for 001. Copy as VAP or VAP, just VAP. Web group. Copy all. Okay, select groups. Okay, we have G004 cost accounts. Copy as G002. Centers required. G02 double click. Additional account assignments. Cost center required. Save. Save. Okay. SPRO. Global setting. Fields. Field status variants. We have to assign the same to company code, VAP. Company code, VAP. Oh, we have VAPs. Okay. So define field status. Go back again. VAPs. Double click. G04. Copy as G002. Cost centers required. Double click. Centers. Save. Now, what are these field status? I'll tell you in a while. I'll tell you. Okay, FS00. Where do we access this? Let me tell you. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual, central. FS00. WAPS, company code. It's not existing. Why is that? WAPS is company code. Field status variant is WAPS. WAPS. Okay, okay. I get it. create new 100, 100, and this will be our retained earnings account. Okay. The retained earnings account is balance sheet account, and it will be in liabilities, retained earnings, retained earnings. Control data. In control, what do we have? We have controls. Now, these are fields that we are controlling from field status group. Okay. 001 sort key. Sort key is, I press enter, posting date. On posting date, it will sort all the transactions that fall in this account. Field status group will be G001. Okay. Post automatic means no manual entry can be entered in this, but we will keep it empty. Save. Save. Okay. Apps. We have one retained earnings account. Okay. We have created that. Okay. Now, let's create another account. 400, 500. Continue. GL account, primary cost or revenue, expenses, salary, salary account, control data. Okay. Over here, cost element category. Now, what is cost element? Cost element is a mirror copy of GL account in controlling area. So in controlling area, GL is not called GL but cost element. So cost element category will be 1. Why 1? Primary cost reducing revenues. We have revenues category, sales deduction, which is commission or returns, external settlement. So we will go for 01. 001. Create bank interest. Field status group G002. G02 was cost center required. Save. Now we have salary account. Okay. Let's copy this. $400, $600. WAPs. Same. Rent account, and save. All other settings the same. Okay. Okay. Now we create another account, 200, 691. Balance sheet, assets, cash account, cash account. Okay. Control data, local currency, balances in local currency. Balance sheet accounts are in local currency only. What is local currency? Company code currency, which is Saudi Riyal that we have taken over here. 001. What is open item management? Open item management is basically used with certain purchase related inventory vendors account. For example, GRIR account is open item management. Okay. Vendor line items, which are credit line items, are open. Inventory transactions, which happen through GRIR accounts, are open. Payable, withholding, tax are open because we have to reconcile. Open items are used for reconciliation. Okay. Okay. Next tab, G001. Okay. Relevant to cash flow. Because if you want to make a cash flow statement, cash accounts, bank accounts, these will be used. Save. Okay.